Wow.
I'm taking a video just so you know. I just got a video of you.
Wow.
Popping your undies. Okay, well, we're sitting here in the middle of a street. And I'm freaking out because I think a car is going to come. And we're talking about, like, the ghetto and, like, West Side Story and all that stuff. So, it's not very good. I think I might die tonight.
What do you have to say about that? Yay!
We might get raped tonight.
Woo! Let's get
My
raped
first time
tonight.
will be so special.
Hi, Georgia.
Remember when we were talking about that on Georgia's
Wow.
stairs? Like,
Yeah.
if we got raped, that'd suck.
And we were like, this is my first time, so I know you're gonna rape me and all, but I want to make it special.
That's
So
what
at
I
least-
said,
So
thank
wait,
you.
wait, wait. So at
So
least
can you, like,
light some candles and play some like sappy music for me.
Dude, I totally said that. I totally said that.
Yeah, she did. Look at the stars. Aren't they pretty?
Let's look at the stars.
Hey, dude. Time.
Too bad you can't see them.
Time.